Hey, it's Matt from Gravity Forms. Welcome to our YouTube channel, home for all things Gravity Forms. Our how-tos, our tutorials, our live streams, our shorts, everything is here on the YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we launch something new. Gravity Forms is not only the most trusted contact form plugin for WordPress, it's also one of the most trusted plugins in general in the WordPress ecosystem. We've been doing this now for nearly 15 years, but don't take my word for it. Here are some of our wonderful customers that I had a chance to chat with at a recent WordCamp.
Hi, I'm Bet Hannon. I'm the CEO of Gravity Assist, where we help folks with Gravity Forms implementations that go beyond the DIY. What I really love about Gravity Forms is that it can do super simple things like a contact form, but we can help you build out enormously complex reporting systems, API integrations, all kinds of amazing other things that you can do with Gravity Forms. It seems like the sky's the limit with Gravity Forms.
I'm Josh Hall, host of the Web Design Business Podcast. You can find me at joshhall.co. I love Gravity Forms because they keep me grounded. They are my favorite form builder. I've been using them for 10 years, since 2013. I have no plans on switching. I'd recommend you do it too.
My name is Brandon Freeman. I work for Ironistic, a digital web agency. We use Gravity Forms for everything. All sites, if they have a different form system, we typically move it over to Gravity Forms. We love how it houses all the submissions, and especially the capabilities of customizing it to do so many different things. We use your workflow system and for several different membership type sites where it requires approval processes and all that stuff. So love the customization. Keep going with them because it just makes it better and better.
My name's Tom Finelli. I'm the CEO of Convesio. We offer scalable WordPress hosting. We recommend Gravity Forms to a lot of our customers because it's super reliable, easy to use, and very extendable.
Hey, I'm Nathan Ingram from Birmingham, Alabama. I've been using Gravity Forms for many years, and we use it in agency work, from everything from as simple as just a basic contact form to full e-commerce situations, very customized applications as well. And we love it because we have one tool that we know really well that can do so many things, and I recommend it to everybody.
I'm Corey Moss. I'm a web developer for many years, here representing OMG IMG, and I also do client work, and Gravity Forms is absolutely my number one choice for form building. The possibilities within it, the way that it's developed is beautiful, it's easily extensible, and there's so many other options, third-party plugins, ways to display the data. It's phenomenal. I love it.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any comments, go ahead and drop those in the comment box below. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. If you want more Gravity Forms stuff, hit that notification bell so you'll be first in line when we do our monthly live streams and other great video tutorials that get uploaded here every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.